What's up, Triple J family? What's up, guys? Once again, it's your girl, and I am back with another requested video. One of my subscribers, well, I already did this before, but he wanted me to do it again. He wanted me to do a part two. But guess what? I have my kids in like, it's gonna be like 2 weeks. It's gonna be 3. But anyways, it was a burping video. I did this already, but I'm gonna do it again. But it's gonna be the burping video / the mama edition. Know what I'm talking about? We're gonna get right into the video. And I got a missy too. I got my water, but I got a missy too. Bam! Y'all see that? Kiwi strawberry. Hey. Anyway, I don't really like doing these videos like this, but if I had my kids with me, then I would do it though. But I got my water though. A little bit of advice to you guys that be cheating. Hold on, and I think that's in Texas though. Is it in Houston, Texas? Whatever, because I'm looking at cheaters while I'm doing this at the same time. Hey, but anyways, yeah. A little bit of advice for you cheating ass motherfuckers. Stop cheating. I'm glad I don't gotta go through them little problems. Nope. Not the kid. No. What you do? When you do it? And how you do that? Alright. Deuces. I'm cool on that ass. Cause y'all tell people I'm not doing that. And as a matter of fact, it's the new year. Happy New Year to all of my subscribers. Everybody that watch my videos. Happy New Year to you guys. Yep. Happy New Year. Oh. Damn. Knock the damn girl down. I don't know. I be hearing shit. I don't know. Let me see how many I could do within 1 minute. Where's my phone? Oh wow. This is the type of video I would have did with my kids, but they not here. Yeah, they not here. So I was tired of everybody requesting for this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And I still got something to eat too. And you wanna know what I'm eating? It's some fried okra. Fried okra. don't know. I gotta put the little kiwi strawberry together. How many times can I do this really? Here we go. One. I don't know. I just can do it. I just can't get that one little burp that I was gonna do like a. I don't know, guys. I guess I never get it, but I can burp though. I don't know. Anyways, I didn't make this video because it was requested from one of my subscribers or whatever. But the next one I ain't gonna make. I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe to the Triple J family. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting. Until next time, holla at your girl. Peace.